Nsi ya Kenya wetere wizara y'obosombi nigo yasioria RICHIKO RIYIA ry'obosombi bw'ekigari ky'estima ose National Electric Mobility Policy ase omuyigo yokorekana ase enyomba y'emesangerekano emeyomochio Nairobi ase enkwana y'omorai bw'ense eyo yasomwa n'omuwaziri w'obosombi Davis Chirchir ase akeire ababwatani gosanekiria ababwatani b'ekisekta ky'abanyene naboigo b'eserekari mbuya ase okwerwa kwabo irigwikerania omurubiri yasebo igatebire sekta y'obosombi nigegendete Gokinia Ebirengo by'obosombi.
I wish to commend officials from both the public and private sector whose leadership and commitment have been instrumental in shaping Kenya's electric mobility agenda. To the task force that diligently steered this process, I extend my sincere gratitude for your efforts, dedication, and professionalism. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenya's transport sector is a critical pillar of economic, social development, and national connectivity. However, it also faces a pressing challenge: its growing vulnerability to climate change and weather-related disruptions. In 2015, the transport sector accounted for 13% of Kenya's greenhouse gases emissions, a figure projected to rise to 17% by 2030 if no decisive action is taken. Between the year 2009 and 2019 alone, domestic transport emissions increased by 59%, with the road transport emerging as the single largest contributor, as we saw in the pie chart that Daga showed us. At the same time, the transport sector consumes approximately 72% of all petroleum products imported into the country, making it a major driver of Kenya's import bill. Ladies and gentlemen, according to Kenya's National Bureau of Statistics, petroleum products were the greatest single import category in 2022, with the importer spending on fuel products approximately Kenya shillings 628 billion. Up sharply from 348 billion in 2021. This is the figure I talked about, $5 billion. This large fuel import bill reflects Kenya's heavy reliance on imported petroleum for transport, industry, power generation, and aviation, making fuel one of the most significant components of the country's total import expenditure. This growing expenditure places significant strain on our foreign exchange reserves, undermines energy security, and exposes our economy to global fuel vulnerability.